Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Njoba Venza TV, it's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sikukune 1. I'm joined by Mr. Bekele Beke, Mr. Versace Ross. Keep out, Jehovah.
Ula, see you out my boss. Yeah, I the one in only, but I am Felipe Versace. Mongabo no munye. Trape Brian.
Yeah.
New one.
Get a very good Shabang Versace.
Versace. Yeah. Steve.
Yeah.
Our Joey gave me Sidlalile, my brother.
Yeah.
Young Tola.
Yeah.
I'm a result of how we be expecting a corner.
Yeah.
It happens, it's football.
Yeah.
Young Tola Steve. Yeah, so ama chest pains laba khuluma ngawo mina ngazi ukuthi bakhuluma ngani because ngilolu ngibazwele laba khuluma ngama chest pains. It happens, my brother. Bayingakho abantu abadliwa elikini, we are not asiwani sibaningi yangithola abantu abadliwa elikini and everything. You cannot win all the games.
Yes.
You cannot win all the games, although we keep on dreaming because of it. We have passion and we know we believe in our players. Young Tol. So today it was that day ukuthi senzeni siluzile. And then the way losing akona, it's a fair loss for Tina. You must remember our player baphuma kude. Siphume igibhida bese lokugijimela ama pyramid. Abanye baphetha ama fatigue and everything. Maybe that is where you can see with maybe depth yafuneka sometimes team young Tol. Because mawuthi abheka into eziningi ba pick up ama injuries there and there. Abasakhona ukuperform the way ekuqaleni mongabheka untwana umfukeng uyapusha that boy unkota bayapusha ngithola. But the problem with maybe sometimes makulima lo umunye we don't have that replacement ukuthi singakhona ukuthi sifake akhona ukuvala umbobo lo. So it helped. That is where maybe ngibona ukuthi maybe khona manje seyafuneka lama quality players ayafuneka sikhona ukuthi compete worldwide, compete ne Sundowns because of if you can look at the way Zlala ngakhona everything is fine, but sometimes maybe lack of concentration as I'm saying with fatigue yangithola. So abantu bayakhuluma batshela ukuthi thina njani maybe it happens. It happens. It's part of football. Young Tola. As Tuganga next tina. And then even though the league is gone, you can shopping in a hamba. But the number 2 still so khala khona.
Ngizohlala
ake kumuntu emeperara khona manje sikukuni sizidlile ngathi sibashiya nge2 points mara sina ngathi 4 games in hand kunawo. So ake kumuntu angasibambayo ku number 2 yangithola. So in number 2 akuna la yakhona. The fact still remains. No ukuthi it's not what it doesn't matter. Wena bheka indaba zakho. Ngitshele Steve. Bheka indaba zakho. Yangithola. Yazini yabona mpitha sorry ukuphazama umuzweleni. Sorry ukuphazamisa. Yabona le ndaba le ukuthi 4 game ne bese athi akusima point ungabheka le outhela ngomuva uthi nentombi ini le outhela ngomuva uthi nentombi kuyafana ukuthi mbona ama point ufana ukuthi ubheka le out le uthi nentombi hayi udlala ngabantu hayi ukosho hayi ukosho job hayi easy that's yazi bona itukutshela come that's ngithi number 2 it's us noma ukuthi game is what akekho umuntu uzothi number 2 we still remain next season futhi sahamba futhi sozama futhi ukukhefa for style esisifunayo ngithola. So ngibone enye inkabi ikhuluma ukuthi thina istar fanele sothola istar like istar njani ngibona umunye wathi the only star sesithola lesi le nto lela fanele ukuthi yena cala athathe lento le afike ku Kaizer Chiefs thina sinaso istar nathi jo yangithola and then siphumile ku semi final last week yangithola bona abanaso so ngicabanga ukuthi athathe lento le yena uLondon ayifake ku Kaizer London usilokele ku Kaizer Chiefs nothing now wabona bona uyabona la thonta lokele stars thatha usilokele mbu okay wabona nina ke mali star mara wabona say usilokele mbu
what they use as camera
wanchala ya London usilokele sharp kuyafita that's all Kaizer Chiefs come Saturday we are going to show them flames
we used to
young John we are going to show them flames Kaizer Chiefs akunale yakhona mina ngisabi and then
if you to console yourself as a person this is the person
okay sharp if you say so how many times when have you lost this season monna lo ne ke mangana di loso tse dintsi monna lo ngare le tu
okay
Araba mo Chiefs and Orlando Pirates ke mangana le di loso tse dintsi uzwa ke mang
from when
this season mo Chiefs and Orlando Pirates ke mangana le di loso tse dintsi
number 9 when
Saturday ku jawara
how many losses do you have
Saturday ku jawara Saturday
yabona ukuthi ubhemi uthapende lo yangithola jo Kaizer Chiefs Saturday fanele bayenzeni I think maybe they have to take the team as a TTC by letting izothandwa Pirates because of le yabo Liverpool nabantwana they don't stand a chance ukuthi bangadlula le Pirates yangithola ne remember yangithola jo they must take TTC team Saturday maybe when at least bangazama ukudlala noLorlando Pirates Kaizer Chiefs I like bona ama team ay improve Abraham yabana namuhla abosikhukhune at least bakhona ukusidla abo Stellenbosch bakhona Kaizer Chiefs is depreciating it's a fact yangithola iyaphansi ama team ayaphezulu it's a fact like mina nje ngikhuluma ama facts Kaizer Chiefs is depreciating it's losing value each and every day it's a fact
And it's a fact that Pirates is also depreciating. Two games lose. What's the difference between them and Chiefs?
What's the difference? The difference is that Ronaldo go number 2, but go number 9.
Mara, you lost.
And then what?
You lost.
And then what?
2 games in a row.
And then what?
You depreciated.
Yeah.
Performance depreciated.
I don't understand.
Hey man,
Upemi pende lo. Upemi pende. That's all along the boy. Bengicala ngathi upemi pende lo. This boy.
avele ngayibhema manguthi ngizobashaya. Ngayibhema mina.
So the only thing Kaizer Chiefs is good ngayo is producing comedians. Yangithola. Obokhila. Abo comedian. Abo papa wow, abo comedian. This is the only thing that about busy So come Saturday, my brother, Reno Paul. Laba angeke bathole next ngiyarepeat kona manje I'm going to yabana na Saturday ne Saturday even if I can get a draw or a win it's not a problem but coming at 10 mfowethu come
Zambili fiso.
yabona that's what I was telling you about they are good at producing comedians
Thank you.
this is the comedians that we having
Thank you.
many of them is from me now Usipo Chain you really did some wonderful saves for today thank God
Thank you, Power.